tank built. Got a full American Powertrain, everything you need kit here. T56 comes with the clutch, transmission, bell housing. They'll cut a brand new drive shaft for you. Everything you need to put this deal in there. Hydraulic clutch, get away from all that manual stuff. We're going to unbox it, see what we got, get started installing that on the car. Everything is super light. When I say everything, I mean everything. You don't have to go get nothing. They give you all the fluids. That'll be for a slave cylinder, transmission. There's a master cylinder. Awesome shift knob. Old school shift lever. Trans mount, cross member, complete kit. Is a complete kit for these guys. That's most likely the clutch. Don't say what the brand is, but say trusted I do. Flywheel in there. And the main ingredient, brand new T56. It's the way to go, guys. You can buy a used transmission, but it's going to have a bad sync rate for 1 to 2, and then you're going to have to replace all the little bronze chipper pads that's bad in it. By the time you do all that, spend the time, in my opinion, time is money. This is the way to do it. Buy the kit, bolt it in, you're done with it. You got all new stuff with a warranty, built to hold the power. You can't go wrong with it, guys. And if you're local, I'm a dealer. Anything you need, I got this one here, one for Chevelle back there. Nothing to it but order them and get them.